Josephszoon van Goyen was born January 13, 1596, died April 27, 1656. He was a Dutch landscape painter. Van Goyen was an extremely prolific artist. Approximately 1,200 paintings and more than 1,000 drawings by him are known. Jan van Goyen would begin a painting using a support primarily of thin oak wood. To this panel, he would scrub on several layers of a thin animal hide glue. With a blade, he would then scrape over the entire surface a thin layer of tinted white lead to act as a ground and to fill the low areas of the panel.